auto poster, PDL bundle. It shows them the matrix, I think, and the tools. And this is just a random video. If somebody wants to promote this, say somebody joins a program that's about making money weekly, then you want to share this. This is just a random capture page that I created. So anyone and everyone, if say they have a company that pays weekly, they can use this and just promote whatever business, because you can then take this and set an autoresponder to this. I got it going into warm market, because then now you're going to be able to control them to what autoresponder they're going to receive these messages from. If you created an autoresponder, then that's where the messages will go to, that autoresponder for that business. Do you have the power to create your autoresponders in Opportunity Launch? No. Here you do. You click on My Settings. Excuse me, you click on New Action. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Marketing. Marketing. Oops. And right here is the autoresponder. Click on Autoresponder. Now we're in the autoresponder. Here's where you're going to have now. These are all autoresponders right here. This list is all autoresponders. I made some for practice. These are only practice ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 different ones. But if you want to create one, see this button that says Create? Create email list. That's an autoresponder. Create SMS list, opt-in forms, email, contacts, opt-in email, opt-in rule. Send. This is where you send. Do you have a broadcast feature? Yes, you do, right here. Send emails to everyone that you have in the system. You can do that with this button. Okay, so now we're an autoresponder. We want to create a capture page in our fan page. This is what we want to create right here. Here's what you have to do. I created a video, but I want to show you live how to do that. First thing you're going to do is click on Create and click on Opt-in Form. Okay? Once you click on Opt-in Form, it's going to bring you to this page. Now you're going to select Existing List. Now, if you say you want to create a capture page for, let's say you have a Young Living, like Donna Lee has Young Living. She promotes Young Living. That's her capture page. She has a fan page for Young Living. She has a WordPress account, blog for Young Living. Then she obviously wants a capture page for Young Living, and she obviously wants an autoresponder for Young Living. So create the autoresponder first, which is email list, and then just put the name Young Living. That's the autoresponder name. Click Add to List, and it's going to show it right at the very bottom, right here. Now it's created. Now we have an autoresponder. Now you want to add the messages to this autoresponder by clicking here, and now you can add an HTML message. Now start with message number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Just add them all in there. Once you do I would do about 7 to 11. You don't need no more than that. But if you want to continue putting more, you can do so, because if you may want to create a newsletter with this emailing system or your autoresponder. So you're going to be able to add new messages as time goes by in there, which you can do. You can put as many in here as you want, okay? That being said, now you have your autoresponder set. You go to opt-in form. Now you're going to select existing list. We'll go to Young Living, which is right here. I just created that autoresponder. There's Young Living. Now we're going to step 2, call to action. See, if you could look on the bottom right here, it's going to start changing here. So join Young Living for, let me just put this, for great products. I'm just going to put, you can keep writing, but I'm just going to go that far. All right, now your next button is to change the color of the headline. You don't like the red, you can change the color as you wish. We're going to choose purplish pink or whatever. There we go. And then call to action is the subheadline right down here. I'm just going to put register. Oops. There we go. Register today. And then a YouTube video. Now you want to add a YouTube video, so just grab a YouTube video from YouTube. Young Living, you can call it. So I'm just going to go on YouTube and just look for a Young Living video. It could be one that you created. I mean, what better than to grab a video you created on YouTube? Here we go. We'll grab this one. All right, so we're going to grab this top link, copy, and we're going to go back here. And we're going to add that right here, Control V. Actually, that might be the wrong link.
Yeah, that's the wrong one.
I was supposed to hit the share button. That's okay. It's this one right here. Click on share, grab this link, and then paste that one there. Control V. Now we have the video. The video won't show up right here, right now, but it's going to show up on the capture page. Because when you're creating this form can also be placed in your WordPress account, your websites, etc. Or you can use the capture page, which it's also going to create a capture page, not just a web form. So now we got the first name, last name, email. If you want to add the phone number, street address, all of that, you can put that here. If not, just leave it like that. The submit button, get instant access. I'll put sign up today. That way they know. There we go. Sign up today. And then I'm going to change that from a green button to, excuse me, to a reddish, a red-like button. A little higher, just like that. And then step 5 options. Do you want to allow prospects to fill out the form by using their Facebook account? Of course you do, because this capture page is going on Facebook. So we want to hit yes. Disregard this mobile. This is a mobile entry form, whatever. So I mean, disregard that for now. This is fine. This is here to make sure you're adding your incorporate. Don't worry about that. That's Canadian. Do you wish to receive an email notification every time someone fills out this form? Yes, you do. What action do you want to take once the form is filled out and submitted? So once they fill out the actual form on your fan page, where do you want them to go? That's what you want to put here. So put your WordPress, put your Young Living site, or whatever it is you want to put there. Include Power by Message form? Yes. Now hit Submit Code. Done. Now we have our capture pages here, and we have the Facebook fan page where we're going to add that capture page. And I'm going to show you in a second. Do you want to know what the capture page is going to look like? Click on this button. There it is. Now remember, you can create an unlimited amount of these. These are fabulous looking. It does the job. You got your title, you got your video, and you got your sign up. Very easy, very precise, powerful video, whatever you want. You don't want to add a video, just words, you can do that too. Okay, now this is the vertical, and you got the horizontal, left to right.
Ramon.
Powerful. Very easy to create, and you can create an unlimited amount of these, okay? So,
Ramon,
yes.
can we add our headline creator into that?
No, because it just allows you to put the text.
Okay.
It only allows you to put text, so whatever you want to write in text, but no. I mean, the headline creator, now you can create capture pages using your WordPress account, your blog account, and you can add the headline there with the video and the form. This form is the form. So you just need to copy this here if you want to create your own headline. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Just copy this form, and this will be placed under your video on your WordPress account. And this right here will show the form, which will show, you know, the first name, last name, email, headline, etc. And when they fill that out, it'll do the same purpose, the same exact thing. It'll get them to that autoresponder. It'll get them inside your autoresponder. It gets you that lead, and it'll place them in the warm market area. All right, now you want to add the fan page. So first you need to do is the method, use to reveal is what I like. Use to reveal, which means if they like your page, then it'll reveal the content. Or use a direct opt-in, no reveal page. A direct opt-in means they'll just fill it out, and then they'll be taken to that actual form. I mean, they don't have to click on like just to fill out the form. That's what that means. So we're going to use this one for now. So we're going to use Facebook headline, Young Living,
The tab ID, you don't put anything?
I'm going to. Give me 1 second. Young Living System. Okay, so here we go, Young Living System, and now we want to add a video, not an image. A video is the video that's going to show up below the capture page on the fan page. So this will be the video that's going to show up here. Okay, the headline obviously is here, but the video we're going to add here. Go back. So I mean, you could add more here, but I'm just going to put Young Living System video, and now we need a video link. So I'm just going to grab this one here, the very top, and I'm going to place that right here and paste, and I'm just going to click on save. Done. Now we saved it. Okay, now we saved it. Now what you need to do is now select to add it to that fan page. So what fan page you want to add it to? Obviously, I don't have a Young Living fan page, but I have a demo one I'm going to show you. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to tell me what fan page do you want to add the tab to. Okay, so I'm going to click on Facebook pages, and I only have one that's available because I added the other ones already. So I'm going to click on Ultimate Funnel, and then hit Add Tab. And it'll say, congratulations, it was a success. Now we have the app and the fan page. So just go to your fan page next. So we're going to look for Ultimate Funnel, see more, and here it is right here, Ultimate Funnel Login. Just going to click on the page, and obviously this page is not published, but as you can see, this is the fan page. Now, all I'm going to do is go down to More, and see, and click on Manage Tabs. Oh, I got it under Welcome? I didn't know I put it under Welcome. I thought I put it under Young Living. All right, hold on one second. Let me just make sure I added it. Okay, hold on. I made a mistake. Okay. We got to click on Settings first. My apologies. Click on Settings, and then click on Apps. And then you're going to see the tab here, and we're going to call it, it says right now it has something different here. We're going to change the settings. Instead of putting change, we're going to put Young Living. Young Living, and then hit Save, and then hit OK. Now it's there. It's good. Now we go back to the page, and now it says Young Living. You see it there? It's because I had to change the name. So the way to change the name is just go to Settings, go to App, and you'll see the Response Magic app, and you change it to Young Living. So now we want to click on this tab, and it's going to bring up a code. Oh, okay. Well, it seems like my Facebook won't, because it's not public either. All right, well, I'm sorry, ladies, I can't do it here, but there's supposed to be a code that it gives you. It's like a 9-digit code. It's a number, 1258. You'll see it here. Just copy that code. You're going to copy the code, and then you're going to bring it back here. That is your tab ID, and you're going to paste that right here. As you can see, I have other ones I already created. And that code is what you're going to place here. Once you place the code here and you hit Save, it's going to remember that. Then you're going to go back to your fan page. I'm going to go to one that's actually working. This one's not working because that's not a public page. And I'm going to go to my Payday Lifestyle page. And once you refresh the page and then click on the tab, it would show up that capture page right here. And it's going to look like this. That's how quick and easy it is to create a capture page on your fan page.
Ramon.
Yeah.
So you didn't use so far until now. I was using that iStatic frame that everybody was using, but this what's the name? Home Office Pro has that API for Facebook. So
yes.
Yeah. So we're using them as because yeah.
We're using them because they created this autoresponder, which is working with our system.
Yeah. Others have the issue if it's not HTTPS, then Facebook has likes to give the trouble. But if they are connected, then
they're already connected. That's why they have this button right here. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
And could you show where we get that IP that number tab ID?
I just showed you.
Show us again.
I just
Show us
No.
again.
I can't show you again because it didn't come up.
Oh.
I showed you when I went to Ultimate Funnels, right? Because that was the one I added it to. I added it to. See, it's not showing up now, but I added it to Ultimate Funnels. Let me go to my page first, and then it should show up here. Let me go back and see more, and then Ultimate Funnels, and then see this page has not been published. That's why I can't get the key. I can't get anything. So right here, once I added the tab and the app, right? Once I click on Settings, and then I clicked on Apps,
I know.
it would show me Response Magic here. And then I click on Edit Settings. I would put the name of Young Living because that's what the title of the tab I want it to be. You could put the tab if you're giving away free ebook, put free ebook. If you're giving away something of value, that's what you want to put here. But this is an example.
Yeah, I know. I just want. I'm not just sure.
Okay, hold on one second. Hold on one second.
Okay, so, okay.
Once you've done this, you go to page. Once you go here, you're going to see it right here. Once you click on this, it'll show the code right here. It says fatal error for me because it's not public. But in here, it would show the number, the key code that you need, the key code I put here. That will show up right here. And then you just grab the key code. You would copy it, bring it here, and paste it right here. And then hit save. Once you do that, you go back to the fan page, refresh the fan page, and then click on the button here, and then your capture page will show up right here.
Anybody have a fan page that is public that wants to do it?
No, what is a fan page?
Lord have mercy. Somebody fire her.
Help
No,
me!
you can do it on my fan page. I mean, I got, but I have it's not.
I mean, I'm not gonna do it right now in this training, but I sent the video out to every one of you. I put it on our Facebook group. So if you go on our Facebook group, PDL, so you click on home. Everything is already recorded and laid out. Just click on our PDL group, Facebook group, and then I added the video last night there, which is it's coming right here.
Yeah, you might want to put those in the files.
18 hours ago.
How to add a capture page to your fanbook page.
There you go.
But I don't have a fanbook page.
Then you need to, we've had that training previously, but
I missed it. I didn't get that.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You're gonna have to look up how to create a fan page.
Okay.
I think Burdell and Ann Moses know how to create a fan page. Since they're your sponsors, or she's your sponsor, I would ask her to assist you with the fan page.
No, I'm asking you.
I know, but I'm not doing it on the training. I just explained that. I mean, like I
outside
said,
of the training, we can talk, can't we?
of course we can talk.
Okay.
But I'm not gonna. I'm gonna bring you to a video on how to create a fan page.
Oh, that's fine.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, it's very easy. All you gotta do is how to create a fan page on YouTube, and they'll show you that.
Okay.
I mean, that's the easiest way to create it.
What does Ann Moses say all the time? YouTube University.
That's it. That's where I learn a lot of my stuff. You want to learn about your C panels that we've been giving you? YouTube.
Okay.
If you don't have a C panel, there's a reason. I mean, you got to learn. I'm not going to give the A's, B's, and C's of a C panel. I mean, if you don't know how to use C panel, don't get one until you learn how to use it.
Give us a C panel.
I'm not giving everybody a C panel. You don't even know how to create a fan page. How can you get a C panel? The C panel is very difficult. It's not easy. I'm just being serious. Okay. Sometimes just because you can have it doesn't mean you should have it.
Okay.
I mean, so you just got to be careful with that part. I mean, you can still have a blog and a website if that's what you know how to use. Then even further, that furthermore explains more. You got to start with basic steps one.
Help me, Lordy.
Huh?
Who's your sponsor?
Merrill, where you been? Merrill, if you don't have none of this stuff, you should have been on our trainings.
Who's your sponsor?
I've been on the ones that I can.
Yeah.
No. Who's your sponsor?
You are.
No. Burdell Warrior is her sponsor.
Oh my goodness.
What I'm saying, here's the problem. All right. The problem is we all have to be on the same page. If you're a trainer, if you're bringing somebody into the program, you got to point them out to the right trainings or to the right place to learn all this stuff. If we're in the same group, the same area, if you know where the trainings are, then you can go there, access it, and learn this type of stuff. So what I've started to do is you click on Home Office Pro, PDL Pro, and you click on Marketing. You click on Team Center, and you can see it right here. PDLpro Webinar Training Recordings. This is where they're going to be placed from now on. The reason why you won't see stuff that we created before is because it talks about another program. So we can't put those anymore. Can't put them here. It's gonna inflict with what we're trying to do here in PDL Pro. So you're gonna see new trainings from here on out, and it'll be placed here.
Uh, can I ask one more question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you just made that capture page. Okay, now remember what like we used to do. Forget about it. It's out in the OPL we show them capture page. Now I have two people that were spamming me, and I was trying to play the game with them, but I realized now I'm thinking I made capture page just in case because it's easy there. How many capture pages here we can create and can we delete them if that person is not interested in you know what I'm saying?
So you're gonna create a capture page here for somebody?
Yeah, because those people got offer. Main offer. You know what I'm saying. You don't work that way. You must have some sort of before they're using original company pages, so they didn't
So they're still free then?
No, they're not. No. Those are people on the Facebook who are spamming me, and I was trying to get in contact with them, and so if I want to prove my point, I want to show them that I got capture pages easily made up. So can we make capture pages and can we delete them? That's my question. These capture pages.
I'm sure you can delete them. They're opt-in forms. You click on let me see, review, and you click on opt-in forms, SMS. Hold on. Oh, I think it's opt-out. No, it's let me see, opt-in forms. Click on opt-in forms. No, that's receive. There is a way to delete them.
Yeah.
I've deleted them before. I just remember how I deleted it because I don't delete them because I made them. I don't need to delete them. You get what I'm saying. There is a way to delete them, yes. But why would you want to delete it? All you had to do is not promote it.
Okay. If I can keep it, that's okay. The reason why
you can make as many as you like.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? You can make as many as you like, but there is a way to delete them, though. Yeah.
Yeah. The reason why because I have to. If they're using company page, they are all the same, and you know the story. So in order to show them how to separate themselves, but those people I find hard. I was trying to contact them and try to they only agreed to conversation through the chat. I said I was trying to call them. Click on the button. No, they said just type. So
here it is here. If you click on customer magnets, it'll take you to the capture pages in the opt-in forms. All you have to do is click on delete, and they're gone. That's it.
So I got to tell you.
Can I ask?
Sorry. Go ahead. Sorry.
Can I ask a question with that big code with WordPress?
Yeah.
You just put it in like when you create a form and you put the code in for contact. Would you just put that one in instead? The long code.
Yeah, that code that was created with the opt-in form, that is going to go into the HTML part of the WordPress. So you click on HTML or text, it's called, and then paste that in there, and then go back to the regular page, and you'll see the form.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Go ahead, Chuck.
So that meetup group I went to on Friday, there's a guru here in San Antonio that he's pretty high-powered on the internet. And he gives out these free classes here in San Antonio about 5 times a week. I don't get to them very often, but I went ahead and went to this social media one on Friday. And from what you're teaching us today, he basically said that because he does this professionally, and he said that Facebook is the #1 place. If you're going to spend your advertising dollar, it's got to be in Facebook. So
Correct.
what you just said today was absolutely correct. And this thing right here, being able to connect to Facebook, like
Integrate. Hmm.
integrate, like you said, is fantastic. So it just I can't believe how I just heard that on Friday, and then on Tuesday I'm hearing it from you the same way. So I mean,
That's a great
uh,
thing.
yeah, it's a great thing. And so bottom line is, yeah, my advertising dollar. You spent $20 and you got three people to sign up.
Five, listen, three people, yeah. And then I'm gonna show you what the catch page look like. That's why I said sometimes you have, I mean, listen, Facebook will bring the people if you got the money. Facebook promotes this fan page before they promote your profile account. Your profile account is invisible, only to your friends and family. I'm letting you know right now. It isn't as powerful as it used to be because Facebook limited it now because they want to make money. So, how much money they want to make? Listen, give them $20. Look how much post reach I've gotten. 5,167 this week. That was only on 2 days. Yes, I don't have only about 50 likes. You think I give about 50 likes when I get this many people coming to my page?
That's right.
If I get one sign up, right, and that one sign up signs up for that $20 program, guess what happens? That's unlimited cash line. So you got to think long term. Don't think about the $20 right now. Think about the long term money with when that one person signs up and they sign up one and that person signs up one. That's unlimited $20. So I'll spend one time 20 advertising. I don't mind.
Ramon,
Yes.
I was also running Facebook ad, and I noticed that they raised the bar. How many days you were running?
2 days. $10 a
Today,
day.
$10 a day daily budget. Yeah, and I think that they raised the bar, so maybe it's because I don't have enough likes. I have to investigate that. But you could run it before for $2 for those who cannot afford, and let it run for 10 days. I was just I could only run it for one day, so I have to see why did they change that or did it not? It was
Well, I mean, they're
so
always changing. They're always changing. Yeah,
yeah.
it'll go. They'll work with your budget. Facebook will work with your budget. I mean, so please keep that in mind.
No,
What you
no.
have,
Mhm.
I mean, so yes, I mean, if you don't have to spend that much money. If you want clicks, you can work on clicks, depending on what you want. Here's what I say. If you're
Sorry.
gonna if you're gonna spend money, you want to make money. So whatever you're gonna spend it on, make sure it's something that's gonna come back to help you put money in your pocket.
Yeah, no, just change. Just I don't know if the reason for that daily budget they improve that they put now is because my page doesn't have enough more than 35 likes, or is it that used to be you have to just have if you when you put your bidding price, it doesn't matter how much, you just have to make you need just double the amount you need to have. Now they change. There was some changes such as
Here's what I would do.
I will promote the post. Yeah, that's only.
Here's
Oh,
what I would do.
sorry.
Build a fan page. Get whatever content you need in there. Make sure it's working in order. Make sure you have your credentials, in fact, and you got your. I mean, because I have a website here that's being promoted, and I
Mhm.
have this capture page here. So there's two different. That's why it says website clicks. So nobody clicked on the website. Okay, so here's the website here. That which is in here. Okay, so I can test the button, and when I test it, boom, there it is. So with that's working, make sure the capture page is working here. Make sure everything's working correctly. You got the labels correctly, a way for them to reach you. Okay, my contact information, phone number, make sure all that is available and ready for someone that comes in brand new. Once you get that set and ready to go, the next step is to now promote it. You can just click on boost, click on promote page. And once you do
Yeah.
so, now you can create the ad, from scratch and start creating, or you can leave it as is. So this one's already created. You can put all men between 1865, United States, business in industry. That's what I put. Business, all business and industry, entrepreneurship, marketing, online fashion, and then my budget could be daily $5. You can change this. Okay, once
Yeah,
you
that used to be that used to could be much smaller.
Yeah, I mean, well, they understand that. So minimum budget is $1 a day. So here we go. We
So
put $1.
I think I know why is now what is the problem.
Oh,
I was okay. I was running for the people. They don't know. I didn't have over 35 likes on that fan page. Maybe
it
that's
doesn't
why.
matter if you have 0 likes. You can still promote it. You can
Yeah.
promote it to get likes.
Yes. 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 I know. I know.
Okay. And there's you put your card information, and then you can run this ad. You select the ad. So if you want to run $1 a day, you know there's a budget. $1 a day, 7 days in a week, right? So 7 in a week,
Yeah.
that's $7. 14 days. So now you can start for if I put 14 days, it'll end on the 3/8, right? And my total budget expense is $14.
Yeah.
How many people am I going to reach? This is where it says estimate reach. Where's that? That's estimated likes per day. I don't want likes. See, that's totally different. Let's see here. I want people to. So you have to edit edit the ad. This is for just likes. That's this button here, right here. Promote page for boost. That's for likes. I
Yeah.
don't want likes. I want people. So promote website or stuff. That's to promote your website. There's a lot of different ways to boost post. This will just boost so people can see this post.
I know.
So if you have, etc. So you gotta just, spend your money
No.
accordingly as you see fit. So
Yeah.
I don't know. Did I answer your question? I mean, was your question answered?
Yes, I think I got the answer. I think I know. I mean, I was running Facebook ads, but now I see that there's something different.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Anybody else have any questions about what I just showed you about the fan page, capture page? And hey, Chuck, to hear that from you, dude, that's fantastic, man. I want people to understand how powerful everything is that we're trying to do here.
Yeah,
And it's
absolutely.
all integrated. So is your 1995 going to be worth it? You goddamn right. At 1995 cents, you goddamn right.
God didn't do it.
So there's another thing that's coming out with Facebook that you can do on your mobile phone that I found out Friday as well. He already has it done. Now, I don't know if Samsung or Androids cannot do it yet, and iPad or iPhones can, because I couldn't get it on my Samsung Android. But you can actually have a video in your ID photo on Facebook now.
You can have a what?
a video as opposed to a picture on the
Oh.
ID photo.
You can put a video.
You can put a
Yeah.
video.
That's
And,
no
but,
feature.
but it's only, but I can't get it on my Android. I think it's just for iPhones only. But anyway, that's just something else I learned.
Yeah, that's a good reason to have an iPhone.
Because it's only like a 3-second deal. I mean, it's a really quick video, but in 3 seconds you can say, "Pay Daily Lifestyle is the best," whatever you want to say, in 3 seconds. So it's just something to think about when that time comes and you can actually do that.
We're gonna have I can't pull it up. I gotta find it. I gotta find out where he has it. But we have a mobile phone. Our mobile phones are gonna be working. We're gonna have apps. There's one already out for Apple. I was just trying to find it. I couldn't find it for our program. So this whole business is integrated on your phone. Appointments, everything. So it's gonna be. We have an app for the whole system. It's gonna be right on your phone. So when you're on your mobile phone, somebody signs up for your catchmate, you get alerted on your phone. You're able to send messages and send them to autoresponder immediately right then and there. You don't have to wait to get home. So I cannot wait for that feature. This right now for the iPhone, it's coming out for the Android soon. So that's going to help you even more and further in business, because you can even make an appointment right now. So if you're not busy on your phone and somebody signs up, you can give them a call right then and there. Hey, I just see you fill out my got so-and-so. I'm on my mobile phone. This system integrated. Those are features people are looking for. So do you see the difference between free and 1995? I mean, the free will not get. I mean, you got to understand there's power in this system in the way it's been built, in the way it's integrated socially. It's not only that, you also have a sharing area, Team Center, with the articles, ladies and gentlemen. So keep that in mind. Team News is where PDLpro has stuff here you can share. as well as the article. You click on marketing, click on article marketing. There's articles here you can share to get. This is stuff that I created one yesterday. All you have to click on view and share. If it's team shareable, this will be the link. You want to see what it looks like? Just click on it. That's what it looks like. This is what the article looks like. Again, and it promotes the business. It promotes you, and it has integrated Facebook. It's all social friendly, all integrated to help you build anything. Once they get in from those capture pages and articles, they're going to be placed into your contact manager. This is where you do the work or get the work done. If you don't know what to do, click on the prospects, find who they are, who just came in, click on them, and walk them along the line. Okay, this is why we want you to train. Where's the training on the contact manager? In the team center. Or get started. Video number 3 is where's the videos at. But also these 2 buttons, these very 2 top buttons, will teach you how to use that contact manager. This will teach you what to do with the lead when they first get in. What should you do with this lead? What capture page did they come into from? This stuff will train you how to use the contact manager. And once you become really, once you become a real professional with the contact manager, this thing is going to be like cakewalk. Very, very easy. And then you start building a team within the system that promotes your system or program. Go to calendar, go to calendar, click on team, and start sending them some appointments for you and your team, like I did here for this morning. And then they will see this alert. And you can create it every single week. You can choose who the presenters are going to be, the whole 9, and set it. So when your team comes in, when you click on team, or you can even click on a to-do. You have a to-do something item on your list you have to write about, maybe today, tomorrow, put it here. Because when you go to your home page, it's going to find, it's going to alert you. You have to do something today. Hopefully you didn't forget. The system will warn you. Get this done. So, I don't know. Just figured I'd share that. I mean, the system is great, man. I love it. And I'm paying for GetResponse right now, $15 a month. But obviously I'm canceling it because I didn't have PDLpro. With Opportunity Launch, I still had to get the GetResponse because I was limited with my autoresponder. So I really have a professional GetResponse card I'm still paying monthly for. I won't anymore, obviously, because of this program. I just got to bring from everybody there and bring them in here. There's no need for it anymore. I mean, I have everything I need right here. And this isn't just to promote one business. This is to promote everything that you do for long term.
Ramon, but were you testing emails?
Click on marketing.
No. Did you testing? Have you test emails? I got the email from PDLpro, no reply 819. And it ended up in a spam folder, and it's empty email. So by the time I got it, it was like it could be a reminder for webinar. I don't know, but I don't know why that enter in.
Here's where you test it, right here.
Hold on.
Mail statistics. You see this?
Yeah, but I'm asking you, did you send test mail to us or send something there because it's PDLpro?
Okay, when did you receive it?
2 o'clock.
What did it say?
Nothing. That's what I'm saying. It's end up in my spam folder. I place it back into inbox. It's empty. It said from PDL space pro. And its address is no reply dash or minus 8.
But what was the subject line?
Subject PDL send you a message on PDLpro.biz.
Boom, there you go. It says I sent you a message right here. That's what that means.
And no content.
No, not in the email. The point is to get you to log into your PDLpro account.
Yeah,
I sent you a message which in here, so when you click on Messenger and you click on Inbox, you're going to see the message.
Right.